The China Study is one of those weighty, important books that is perhaps more talked about than actually read. It's easy to see why, at 417 pages packed with nutrition facts and research stats, it's a lot to digest, not exactly a beach read. Photo: The China Study, but it is worth knowing about, since the book is based on one of the largest comprehensive studies of human nutrition ever conducted, launched via a partnership between Cornell University, Oxford University, and the Chinese Academy of Preventative Medicine, with data collected over a span of 20 years. In the China Study, T. Colin Campbell, Ph.D., and his son, Thomas M. Campbell, II, M.D., discuss and analyze the results from the study, and other influential nutrition research, and recommend their protocol for the best diet for long-term health. In the 10 years since it was published, it inspired influential figures like Bill Clinton to go vegan, a plant-based nutrition certificate program at Cornell that's popular among chefs, nutritionists, and health coaches, and the documentary Forks Over Knives. Of course, like all nutrition advice, there are many criticisms of the research and conclusions, especially among paleo diet advocates. We read it cover to cover for you, taking notes along the way, so you'd be in the know about the author's claims, whether you choose to forego beef for broccoli or not. Here is your 10-step cheat sheet to the China Study's conclusions. Originally posted September 23, 2011, updated June 7, 2016. Photo: Martin Zemlickas via Unsplash. You may feel pretty fit, but the country as a whole is, well, not so great. The researchers spend a lot of time citing frightening stats on obesity, diabetes, and heart disease that point to the need for an American diet shakeup. Americans also pay more for healthcare than any other country, and don't have better health to show for it. It's probably the one section of the book no nutrition expert would argue with. Photo: Pixabay. They're not talking about one small study on mice. After years of controversial lab results on animals, the researchers had to see how they played out in humans. The study they created included 367 variables, 65 counties in China, and 6,500 adults, who completed questionnaires, blood tests, etc. When we were done, we had more than 8,000 statistically significant associations between lifestyle, diet, and disease variables. They also incorporate a wealth of additional research data from other sources. Photo: Pixabay. The book's author, T. Colin Campbell, Ph.D., grew up on a dairy farm, so he regularly enjoyed a wholesome glass of milk. Not anymore. Dr. Campbell says that in multiple, peer-reviewed animal studies, researchers discovered that they could actually turn the growth of cancer cells on and off by raising and lowering doses of casein, the main protein found in cow's milk. Photo: Pixabay. The food you eat affects the way your cells interact with carcinogens, making them more or less dangerous, the authors explain. The results of these, and many other studies, show nutrition to be far more important in controlling cancer promotion than the dose of the initiating carcinogen, they state. Photo: Pexels. Kaboompix. The authors share the work of other respected physicians that they say supports their own data's conclusions, and some of the most interesting is on heart disease. Caldwell B. Elston Jr., M.D., a physician and researcher at the best cardiac center in the country, the Cleveland Clinic, treated 18 patients with established coronary disease with a whole foods, plant-based diet. Not only did the intervention stop the progression of the disease, but 70% of the patients saw an opening of their clogged arteries. Dean Ornish, a graduate of Harvard Medical School, completed a similar study with consistent results. But hey, this is actually encouraging. Heart disease can legit be reversed. Photo: Pexels. Jan Bozak. Highly processed, refined carbohydrates are bad for you, but plant foods are full of healthy carbs, the authors say. Research shows that diets like Atkins or South Beach can have dangerous side effects. While they may result in short-term weight loss, you'll be sacrificing long-term health. Photo: Unsplash. Webvilla. It's not just cancer and heart disease that respond to a whole foods, plant-based diet, the authors say. Their research showed it may also help protect you from diabetes, obesity, autoimmune diseases, bone, kidney, eye, and brain diseases. Are you getting that plants are pretty miraculous by now? Photo: Unsplash. Jay Wennington. Eating healthy can seem segmented. Broccoli will prevent breast cancer, carrots are good for eyes, and by the way, did you get enough vitamin C today? Nutrition that is truly beneficial for one chronic disease will support